Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I do have some home decor pieces that I recently picked up from my favorite store, Ross, HomeGoods, and at home. I do have some Amazon pieces as well that I want to share with you in this video. In my last transformation video I did my living room, I showcased some of these items because they were my latest finds, but I didn't give you the prices or where I got them from, so you'll be seeing them here in this video as well. If you're new here, my name is Tammy. I do lifestyle videos, home decor, DIY. So if those are the stuff that you love to watch, I'd really appreciate if you press that subscribe button, press that notification bell, so whenever time I upload you'll be notified. I'd love for you to be part of my channel. So let's see all the goodies that I picked up. I'll be doing the items that I picked up from HomeGoods first, and then I move on to the other stores. So the first item that I picked up from HomeGoods is this beautiful checker print marble tray, guys. Oh my god, when I saw this I was so happy because I've seen a few YouTubers found this in their stores, but I think they found the bigger size or the larger size, but I found this size. But I still love it, guys, and I was so happy that I found it. I am planning to put this in my kitchen on the countertop to hold my vinegar and oil container along with my kitchen utensils, but or maybe a candle. But yeah guys, I love this. I was so happy that I found it. At my HomeGoods they had other pattern, but I prefer the checker print style, and I was like, yes, you're coming home with me. So I paid $7.99 for this, guys. It's less than $10. So if you want something similar or want something, you may be able to find it at your HomeGoods. I picked up mine like 2 weeks ago, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to find them in stores still, but yeah, if you do, you're gonna love this, and I love mine. So yeah, love this piece. Again, $7.99, you can't beat that. So yeah, love that. I also picked up 2 books there as well. My HomeGoods lately, guys, loving it. They have so many books and I'm so happy. Like every time I go, I have been seeing a lot of books. They have shelves of books. I'm gonna show a picture of when I went the last time, how many books they had on the shelf, and I'm happy. So I only picked up 2. I picked up the Call It Home. I picked up this one that you were able to see. I picked up this. This was $19.99, and I love it, guys. Look at the color. Beautiful color, guys. I'm so happy that I picked it up. Now, as again, HomeGoods is my store to find decorative books. Amazon is a good place too, but I think HomeGoods has the best price for books. Tell me if I'm wrong. And then the other one that I picked up is the Curate. A lot of my fellow YouTubers, home decor channel, have this book as well, and I picked it up. This was $24.99, and I'm happy that I found it at my store because it is so versatile. It's like a grayish oat color. It's like a grayish oat color. Love it. And it is so beautiful. Like inside they have some nice decor pieces inside. Beautiful inspiration, stuff that you could look and create on your own. But yeah, I love these books that I picked up, and I was happy that I found these books because these are more popular books, so as soon as they come in store they be selling out. So I'm happy that I picked this one up. I picked up this cute little Valentina book. It was only $6.99. I saw it was just cute, and I was like, oh, this is so cute, so I just picked it up for no reason. But I love the mini books. Sometimes you want to just put it on top of one of the books just for those decorative purposes. So I picked this one up. Again, this was $6.99, guys. It is so cute. But I loved it. Well, that's all I got from HomeGoods, guys. Also, I did pick up my side lamp, which I also showed in that video. It was $79.99 for it. I'll maybe show you in somewhere on the side that I picked it up, but yeah, I love that lamp as well. So yeah, so those are all the stuff that I picked up from HomeGoods. Moving on to Ross, I did pick up 3 pieces from Ross and I'm in love with them. So the first piece is this beautiful bowl. Guys, look how beautiful. Look at the detail of this. You know this is a dupe, right? But I love this. I got this for $16.99. I styled it on my console table, which I'm in love with. I'm not sure if you're able to see the material or the texture of this, but it is so beautiful. I love it and I'm happy that I picked it up. Now let me tell you something about Ross. You have to go the right time, right place, and the right day, because Ross can be so overwhelming sometimes depending on its location. And sometimes some Ross has a lot of home decor pieces and some don't. So mine's though, they only have like 2 shelves of home decor pieces. So whenever you go and you find something, grab it, because or whenever I go, I grab it if I liked it, because I know if I go back the next day it's not going to be there, because it's a limited amount of stuff that they put out as it relates to home decor. So whenever I see stuff, I grab it. I did saw something similar in At Home, but I like this one better. The At Home one, the ball, these were like off and I didn't like it. I like how these are embedded into the actual side and not just like stick on. So I love this one better. So yeah, and I love this, and I saw this again on my console table and I'm in love with it and I'm happy that I found it. The next piece, guys, I love it. I love all the pieces that I picked up, don't get me wrong, but this piece, I'm a little bit mad at myself because it was only 2 in store and I only picked up 1. And I'm so mad. I should have picked up the other one. But this, guys, this gives me a vintage vibe. Love the color. Look how beautiful the color is. So beautiful. And this was only $6.99. Oh my word. Look how beautiful this is. This is on the smaller side, guys. It's not as big as the other size vase that I have, but I do love this. Look how beautiful. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I'll find somewhere to put it. But yeah, this again was $6.99. Do you like this? This is so beautiful. I love it. I think these are coming back into style. This is one of my favorite finds in Ross for a long time. Now, I did show you this vase like a few months ago. So I brought back the one that I had, and because I realized that it had a crack, and I brought it back. I didn't see anything similar to that at the time, so I left it. So I returned it. Went back a few days ago, saw this, and I was like, I'm not leaving you. You're coming home with me. That means you're supposed to be mine. So I went and make sure this one doesn't have a crack. So this one doesn't have a crack. And this one was $12.99, guys. So love this, and I love the texture on this as well. So yeah, love this, and I'm happy that I found another one to the one that I returned, because again, I returned it because it was cracked, and I was like, thank God this was meant to be for me. So I was like, you're coming home. So I got these. So these are all the 3 items that I picked up from Ross. I hope you love them. Now moving on to At Home. So the first piece that I picked up from At Home is, I'm going to turn my camera because I'm not going to lift it up, is this I should say vase right here. Guys, let me see if I could zoom in, like able to zoom it in. Let me see, hold on. So it's this vase right here. It was a little pricey, guys, I'm not gonna lie. It was $80, but I love it. Let me see if I can zoom it in for you guys. It's right there. Love it, guys. Look how beautiful that is. It matches my decor so much. I had another one prior, but it was too small, so I returned it. That's the one you saw in my last video, and then I returned it and got this one, which I'm in love with, guys. Look how beautiful it is. I'm gonna see if I could go up closer so you can see the detail on the actual vase itself. But yeah, this one was $80. Love it. So I did pick up these two candle holders from At Home as well. They're made out of red marble. Love these. I love, look at the texture on this. Now what I'm planning to do is melt the wax into the actual candle holder itself and then place the burner inside and just burn it like a regular candle. So that's what I'm planning to do. And I also picked up the small one as well. So the small one was $14.99 and then the larger size was $19.99. And I just love the raw finishes on these. They're so beautiful. So I was happy that I picked these up. And then I have these two tiny vases. I put them on my coffee table. Nothing fancy. I love the color. So the color matches, if you realize, these matches the book that I picked up from At Home, and it also close to the vase that I also DIY'd. Something similar, not close, but they're in the shade of brown. So yeah, I love that. So I picked these up. This one was $6.99 and the other one was also $6.99. So I picked these up and I styled them on my coffee table here in my living room. So that's all I got from At Home, guys. I'm almost there. Last but not least, I have these two decorative pillows that I picked up from Amazon. I love this. This is a bigger size and this is a smaller one. I think this size was the 11.8 inches all around. Love this, guys, and it is so soft. I love it. I'll be sitting in my sofa and just hugging on it because it's so soft. So I love this. And the smaller size was 8.6 inches. Love these, guys, and this one feels good too, but the bigger one is more softer. Yeah, but I'll definitely leave the link down in my description box for you guys because these are really nice. I love them. Now for the At Home, HomeGoods, and the Ross items, if you have those stores in your area, run, don't walk. These items I'm loving, especially this green one right here. I'm pretty sure hopefully when I go back I will find the other one, but if not, I'll stick with this one. But they have some good pieces. But what I'll try to do is try to find similar items on the Amazon site and place a link down in my description box for you guys. But especially the At Home items, I'm pretty sure you could go in At Homes and find them because At Home items, they have a lot of stuff. So I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find these items at your At Home if you have one. If not, I'll try my best to leave similar links down in my description box for you. But that is it, guys. I hope you like all the items that I share with you because I love them. And thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me to the end. I really do appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you all so much for your support. Bye, guys.